Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we got a beautiful 2023 Toyota Corolla. She is running, so we're going to take a walk around and let you listen. She sounds great. She looks great. She's got just a little over 26,000 miles. Clean title, clean Carfax, no accidents. Beautiful car. 2023 Toyota Corolla. Just a little over 26,000 miles. Clean title, clean Carfax. The body looks great. The interior looks great. She's got a 4-cylinder 2.0. Just inspected. Plenty of tread on all tires. Take a look at that hood. Beautiful shine. Very nice. Looks great. Let's take a look at the inside. The back seat's in excellent condition. The front seats are the same, in excellent condition. Let's walk around to the other side. You go ahead and pop the hood in the trunk. All right, sorry about that. Popping everything for you, so I'm not sure what you saw while I was doing that. But anyway, here's the trunk space. It does have the spare tires and tools under there. Here's the Carfax. Clean title, no accidents, and she still has her factory warranty. There's the factory warranty. So you still have a warranty. And let's get around there to the engine. Let you see her up close and personal. Then we'll jump on the inside and enjoy some AC. See if I can get this up for you. I'll try my other hand. There we go. Here's her 4-cylinder engine, 2.0. Purring like a kitten. Very clean. Very nice. All right, let's enjoy some AC now. My favorite part, I get to get inside and cool off. Let me turn this music down. We'll get zapped on YouTube for that. Whew, it feels good in here. You're gonna love the AC. There's your steering wheel controls. And let's zoom in on this. Check this out. 26,741 miles. And there she's got the lane control. Beautiful. 26,741. Let's go over here and show you these goodies. 68 degrees in here. Feels great. Good cold AC. Lane control. She's got radar, cruise control. Oh my goodness, just so much stuff. So much bells and whistles. Let's go through this. And here we've got our personal info, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, voice activation. There's apps. You can go through there. Let's go back here. Apple CarPlay, because there's your Wi-Fi. Apple CarPlay, Android. Got the trip information alert. Go back to music. You've got Sirius XM free for 90 days. Let's see if we can give you a little blast of music. Oops, I just messed with the AC instead of the radio. Let me turn that back to 68. All right, now here's the radio button. Gotta turn it back down. Very nice stereo system. All right, if you have any questions, give me a call at 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 Eastridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. All right, let's give you another walk around. I'm kind of going fast because they're calling for thunderstorms soon, so I'm trying to get this done for you before that starts up. 26,741. There's your lane control. She's got the collision awareness, all kinds of stuff. She's really, really nice. Very nice car. Inside, outside, very nice. All right, let's give you another walk around the outside. Interior is in excellent condition. Not sure if I took you around to the passenger side. Maybe we'll do that as we walk around. All right, give you another walk around. I'll open the passenger door, let you look in over there. This car is nice. 2023 Toyota Corolla, 26,000 miles. Clean title, clean Carfax, no accidents. Plenty of tread on the tires, just emissions inspected. Very nice. Does have the owner's manual in the glove box. I'm not going to get it out, but I'll just show you it's there. Big, thick owner's manual. Good cold AC. I love that. It does have the flip down armrest for your back seat riders. There you go. I guess that's going to do it. I'm trying to beat the storms this evening. It's calling for it, so trying to get this done for you. This baby looks great. She runs great. No problems, no issues, no complaints. Beautiful 2023 Corolla. Please tell your family and friends to come buy from me. If they do, I'll give you $100. And please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate that. If you need assistance with financing, you can hit me up with sending me an app on my website. Just go to kylesautosales.com, send me an application, or you can use your own bank. I'm perfectly fine with that. If you're a member of the credit union, go right ahead. I am fine with that. All right, I guess that's going to do it. Please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions, call me at 704-213-0169, located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 Eastridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. I'm about ready to jump back in the AC and cool off. Y'all enjoy your summer. Come see us here at Kyle's Auto Sales. Thank you very much. Y'all have a wonderful day. And I thank you for your time. Thank you for your business. All right, hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.